Hi friends, welcome back. So today I'm going to reveal most exhaustive 10-year analysis of Nifty 50, small cap, mid cap, metals and Vedanta. So I have accumulated this data from various websites, and after accumulating this data, I analyzed those data, and then I concluded to 10-year massive analysis. So let's quickly review what you're going to get in this. So first of all, we will go by each section and study these 10-year massive analysis. Then at the end, I will give you 2 into 3 mutual funds recommended, tested and tried schemes. So this sheet is a summary sheet which I'm going to explain at the end after concluding each sheet. So let's start with the small cap. So in small cap 100, we have a 100 listed stock in small cap having market value less than 5,000 crores. So let's start with the analysis. So here we can see that I have taken the data from 2013 to 2023. I'm scrolling it down. So we can see that 16, 17, then 18, 19, 20, then 2021, 2022 and 2023. So I have taken average of open, high, low and close of everyday data from last 10 years on which these NSE traded. So in average entry, I have taken 1 year average of all the data of 1 year, and percentage variation is a delta variation with respect to previous year. So we can see that in some years there is a positive percentage change and some years there is a negative change, and in 2021 there is a massive gain of 79% with respect to 2020, and average gain of 10 years is coming approx 15%, and which is a very good value, and this 15 is a gain of every year. Got it. So now moving towards the mid cap portion, and we have accumulated again the same concept. 10 years data we have taken an average of 1 year each. We are putting in the final Excel, which I am going to show you right away, and after that there is a delta variation of each year with respect to previous year. So some years we have positive 29.5%, even in 2021 66% jump is there with respect to previous year, and in some years there is a negative returns, like 2019 it's a pandemic year and we got 10% negative return. So average return in mid cap section is coming out around 17%, which means your money is growing by 17% every year if you invest in a span of 10 years, and that's a very good number. So I must suggest you to go for mutual fund in mid cap section. Now let us look over this metal industries from last 10 years. So I have taken the data for metal industries, and metal because is a very massive and blowing industry, and we should also focus because it's upcoming trend for the metals. So we can see that data is accumulated, and then it's been analyzed. We have seen that there's from minus 19 to minus 23, then 47% return in 2017, and in 2020 15% negative, and see 2021 look at the massive return of 113, which if you had invested 100 rupees in 2020, it would become 200 rupees in 2021 in just 1 year. And 10-year average gain is 17% annually, and it's coming a very good number. So I must tell you should also focus on metal industry. And at last, my favorite stock, that is Vedanta Resource Limited ka Vedanta Limited. So it's a very good stock, and for last 3, 4, 5 years I have analyzed the data, and I found that it is very interesting to invest in this because it has in 2021 it gave 140% return, and I think it's going to be a very massive and big giant in upcoming trend in India, and it's been playing a very good role in Indian economy, and I think you should also invest as per your risk appetite, and it is giving a 13% of annual last 5 years return, and it's a good number. So guys, let's come to the conclusion of this video. I have not included Nifty 50 ka data here because I have already made a small short for Nifty 50 ka analysis where you guys are getting around 14% annual return. So Nifty 50 is also a very good option. So we have seen that every analysis of large cap, that is Nifty 50, then mid cap, then small cap, then metal industry, and my favorite Vedanta. So these 5, 6, 7 analysis I have done very exhaustively analysis. I hope you liked it. So guys, if you really interested in mutual fund, go for SBI and Axis for large cap, SBI and Axis or ICI for small cap, Axis and Edelweiss for the mid cap. So these are the schemes where I usually invest. So finally, I would like to conclude that if you really want to invest in mutual funds, first analyze, then approve. If anybody wants this Excel from me, you can ping me. I am happy to share this Excel, my hard work. Do support and kindly support and subscribe.